Bonjour, I'm Hannah from evitality.in and in this session we'll learn French pronunciation part 5 and this is related to the food item. इस सेशन में हम French pronunciation part 5 करेंगे जो food item से related है, just like what you like, what you dislike, what is your favorite dish, what you eat, etc. etc. So we'll start with the first sentence, which is quel est ton plat préféré? Quel est ton plat préféré? Here, quel is masculine and quel est ton is a adjective possessive, which means your. Plat means dish and préféré means you prefer or you like. So, quel est ton plat préféré means what dish you prefer or what dish you like. So, there is a contraction between quel and a. It will be qu'il est. Qu'il est ton plat. T will be mute. Plat préféré. Qu'il est ton plat préféré. Next is je mange et je bois de tout. Je mange et je bois de tout means I eat and I drink all. Okay. So there is a contraction between je and mange. It will be je mange. Je mange, and there is a contraction between je and bois. It will be je bois. Je mange, je bois de tout. So there is a contraction. It will be bois tout. So je mange et je bois tout. Je mange et bois tout. Next is mais ce que tu préférais le plus. Mais ce que tu préférais le plus means but what you like the best. But what you prefer the best. So there is a contraction between ce and que. It will be ce que. Ce que. So mais ce que tu préfères le plus. And the answer is ce que je préfère le plus c'est la gâteau. So, what I like the best is the cake. So, there is a contraction, the same contraction between ce and que. It will be ce. And je prefer will be je préfère le plus de le gâteau. And together it will be ce que je préfère le plus de le gâteau. And the next sentence is les profiteroles, j'adore ça. So here is T is not pronounced, so it will be profiterole. So les profiteroles, j'adore ça. So because there is an accent with the C. So les profiteroles, which means delicious, it's delicious, I love it. J'adore means to love, so it's delicious, I love it. Next is A. Qu'est-ce que n'aime pas? Qu'est-ce que n'aime pas? What you don't like. So there is a contraction between qu'est-ce que. So it will be a kiss je t'aime. A kiss t'aime. So N will be not pronounced. So it will be a kiss t'aime pas. A kiss t'aime pas. Only pa with the negation. So, kiss t'aime pas. What did you not like or what did you not prefer? So, it will be le pain. Le pain, which means bread. So, this is all the contraction of the sentence of this conversation. If you want to revise on this example once again, you can download from the link below. Merci, à bientôt, c'est fini.